How to connect Salesforce Authenticator application and use it. Firstly, I'm showing you the original and genuine steps for this video that how you can connect your Salesforce Authenticator from your account on your PC. For this, I'm taking you to the official Salesforce website here and about Salesforce Authenticator that how you can actually connect it with your device or anything you want. Now, in this setting, you simply have to find the connection manager for your Salesforce account, and then here you will see that you can simply attach your account. Firstly, log in with your email ID and password. Please remember you're entering the correct details to ensure that you have to do nothing to worry about it. As you can see on here, there are so many menus, but I will log into my account and then simply go on the connection page. There I can connect my account. Thank you so much for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel.